If you're taking a fish oil or omega-3 supplement, this video is for you. Here are the top 5 things to consider. First thing to consider is when a product has the total amount of fish oil, you want to make sure it actually shows the amount of EPA and DHA, because those are the 2 active omega-3 fatty acids that we want to help us with lowering our inflammation, regulating our immune system, benefiting our brain function, our gut health, skins, hormones, etc. So if it doesn't even say EPA or DHA, just get rid of it. The second thing to look for is to make sure the product is third-party tested. It's not always that explicit on the bottle, so I would just look up the company and make sure it's coming from a trusted company. You want someone that goes in, checks your purity, potency, which brings me into my third recommendation, to have IFOS certification, which means they are testing for mercury levels and heavy metals. If you go to the Nutrisource website, they have a bunch of companies that are IFOS certified. That also brings me into my fourth recommendation. Don't trust Amazon unless it's directly from the company's shop, but also that's sketchy too. There's a ton of resale stuff on Amazon. I mean, if you're crunched for time, sure, go for it, but I would probably just get it from the actual website that the fish oil is coming from. I also have a FullScript account, no pressure, but if you want to get third-party tested supplements, you can sign up for my dispensary in my bio. And lastly, you want to understand the dose that you want. So ideally, you have a combination of 1,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA. Honestly, if you're not eating fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week, which I talk about what qualifies as fatty fish in my last video, then you might want to do a higher amount. If you're not sure, you can test your omega-3s, and I put omega-3 testing in my Rupa Health, which is also my bio, but you can also ask your doctor. There's like a bunch of tests online, and different companies like Nordic Naturals or Vital Planet, you can actually test your omega-3 index. Really good brands that are third-party tested, IFOS is going to be Vital Planet. Nordic Naturals has a vegan one as well, so if you are vegan, you definitely should be taking an omega supplement. If you're pregnant, Fullwell has a really good omega-3 supplement. Life Extension, Carlson's Ritual is good. Thorne also has one with coenzyme Q10. Nature Made has a good one. Sports Research, Viva Naturals, Hum, OMG, Omega. There's honestly so many good omega supplements, but what's really important is third-party tested, IFOS certified, and making sure it's actually containing the omega-3s, EPA and DHA, and not just saying fish oil on it.